Sparky Sparks here. I have new hair. Oh my gosh. This is by Jon Renau, and this is Miranda Light in Salted Caramel. Pretty color, beautiful. So let's look at her. Let's start on the inside. So this is a fully integrated cap. So you can see there's no wefts showing. You can't poke your fingers through. Stretchy, beautiful cap. Has silicone here on the ear tabs. So that's going to keep it down and make it look like the hair is coming right out of your head. In the front, we have flexible parting. So this is parting space all across here. So you can be on the side, in the middle, on the other side, you name it, you can do it. And then in the front, this lace right here is what's going to give the illusion of it coming right out of my forehead. Now, I like to joke and say I have an 8 head, so 4 and 4. So one of the things I love about wearing wigs is you can adjust this space. So rule of thumb is 3 fingers or 4 fingers above your brow bone. So that would be about here or here. And you'll see how I do that. So if you have any sort of feelings about how high your forehead is, and mine always has been like this, you can change it with a wig. So let's talk about that. Let's get this wig on. So we went over the front and the lace. So this is going to be your friend. Now let's turn her inside out. We're going to give her a shake. The reason I shake her is that she's been packed up in a box, and yes, I call her she. These gals have become true friends to me, and they never speak poorly of you, and they make you look great all the time. So they become your best friends. Beautiful color. This is salted caramel. You can see some of the highlights. I'm standing in front of a big window, so this is natural light inside. Beautiful. Now, for my new wig wearers, how do you know how to put it on? Okay, the tag goes in the back. It's going to go right back here underneath your, like at the nape of your neck, right? There's a bone there. It goes right there. And then we're going to dive our forehead in right here. Try to make it land here where you want it to land on your forehead. So put it on and flip up. Beautiful, gorgeous. How easy is that? So now to adjust her, take the ear tabs, one on either side, make sure they're even. And they're silicone, these ear tabs, so they're gonna lay down. Oh, this is already gorgeous. Look at this hairline. Just gorgeous. The lace lays really flat. And if it's not flat, just kind of adjust it. Sometimes when you put it on, it needs adjusting. Just like that. Now you see how I took my forehead from what I call an 8 head to a 4 or a 3. And so what I like to do, and what I'd encourage you to do, is take a selfie and see what you think. This is what other people will see. You looking in the mirror isn't really a good judge of how it looks on you compared to other people. So I usually like to pull her a little more forward. Yeah, like that. And I'll review some selfies before I wear her out. Let's see, pull some of that hair in. Okay, looks beautiful. The other thing I like to remind my friends is, you can see this hairline, right? And it looks pretty impeccable. Now, if somebody's this close to you, and I'm probably this far from the camera, if somebody's this close to you, they're not thinking about your hairline. Just keep that in mind. So step back and just partake. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now you can use a little bit of water if you want to kind of redirect this curl so it doesn't flop in your face. But at first glance, this is just gorgeous. Lightweight, super soft. I love this cap. Jon Renau has this great comfortable cap with the silicone right here. So if you had no hair, this would be super comfortable. Let's just make sure she's even. Very good. Okay, now let's look at the back. I love long hair, ladies. So let's do that. So I don't feel like age defies or defines how we wear hair or when we can wear long hair or short hair. I think you wear whatever you want to wear and whatever makes you feel comfortable. Long hair to me is like wearing stiletto heels without the pain, really. So look at this, just gorgeous, right? Just let's take a moment. So pretty, really pretty. If you haven't tried hair, I encourage you to give yourself a treat and try a wig. It's no different really than having any other kind of alternative hair, except it's easier. Throw it on, take it off, super easy. And if you don't like it, change it. And every day I change the wig I wear, and sometimes 3 or 4 times a day. I hope this is helpful. Again, this is Miranda Light in the color Salted Caramel, or caramel if you like to say it that way. I always like to tuck. Let me know your thoughts. Cheers.